Barry, how you feeling?
I'm hot. I'm like really hot. I'm like cold. I'm not really like cold. I'm hot. Man, take that fucking shit out my fucking face, man.
Barry, you remember anything?
Fuck, I remember shit. This fucking nose right here. Like, let's go. I fucking remember
No.
everything.
Do you remember hitting the thing?
I backed up.
Off the freeway, off Del Paso.
Listen, I backed up. I told you, like, oh shit, let's go. I said, man, let's fuck that shit. Let's go. Fuck you. Don't laugh right now. I'm not laughing. I'm like, oh.
Which way you going?
It ain't shit funny, man.
Sorry.